Hello. This short video will give you a quick tour of our Canvas site, and I hope it will help you in navigating through our Canvas site. Let's start with the home page, which welcomes you. Also gives you some important reminders in terms of what you should be checking out, when you sort of start the course. The syllabus, the modules, etiquette, contact information, and you see my welcome introduction video, which allows you to see me in person. Um, the most important tab is modules. Modules is this tab gives you a kind of a roadmap for this class throughout the semester, and you see each week of the semester, represented with one module, and within each week you see the content that you'll be expected to go through, so there are 15 weeks of the semester. For each week, there's a module. And what will happen is each module, usually there will be an instruction for the module, like here. And this will give you, by the way, I'm looking at instructor view. This is not a student view. In a student view, you would have to complete these items to be able to see, other modules. So I'm just presenting you the instructor view, and eventually you will get this view as you complete your all the assignments and as you go through these modules. And there will be an instruction module which will give you a sort of a set of instructions like what to expect in this week. And again, I will show you more details, but just want to give you a highlights at first. And also you will find information about office hours and also our synchronous meeting under this heading, instruction for the module. And the second heading will be learning content. Under that you will see learning objectives for the module. And also you will see instruction materials like slides, videos under that. Also, if you have questions about the content of the module, you will be able to ask your questions. There's a discussion board for those questions. And not all modules, but some modules will have complete the following, which means there's a specific assignment due for that week or for that module, and it says complete the following. Here, for example, for the first week, you have to complete discussion board, and also you have to take a syllabus quiz. And for both, the deadline is September 12th, Saturday, 11:59 p.m. And also you will see further resource suggestions, again relevant for the content of this specific module. Again, as you see, like week 2, by the way, you cannot move to week 2 unless you complete all the, or go through all the items within the week 1. And only then you will be allowed to move to week 2. And as you can see, same structure, instruction for the module. There's going to be learning content. I haven't really posted yet, but there will be sort of videos and lecture slides posted under learning content. And so there's a sort of assignment to be completed for week 2, and September 19 is the deadline for that. So that's what you need to sort of check out the module. You see, like pages, file, syllabus, quizzes, all of these things are sort of kind of organized into sort of these modules under modules tab. And so this is the most important tab. Again, you have to be familiar with it, and you have to know how to navigate through it. Very quickly, for example, let's start week 1. Which gives you sort of a detailed introduction about the week, what to expect, what you should be doing. I don't have it here in the instructor view, but in the student view, you should be able to see mark as done. So once you read through this, you would just sort of click mark as done, and then you move to the next one. Here is the information for our synchronous class meeting for week 1, September 10, 10 a.m. We'll have a synchronous meeting. It's a voluntary meeting. but I strongly urge you to sort of attend it. There is this extra point opportunity for you, and also it's an opportunity for us to bond. Um, and and then you have student learning objectives for week one. For week one, I also sort of put the course level learning goals and objectives, not just for this week, but the overall course level goals and objectives. Please familiarize yourself with these goals and objectives, because they will give you a sense of what you should be taking away from this class. Um, and then for week one instructional material, I only posted the syllabus review. This video sort of goes over the syllabus. And if you have any question about the course in general, please post it here. And when you post your questions, others will be able to see your questions as well. They will be able to see my response, and they will surely benefit from our exchange. And here, for the purpose, I tentatively, we'll have meetings set up, like a synchronous meeting set up for Tuesdays, Tuesdays at 11:10 a.m. But for the first week, we'll meet Thursday at 11. Thursday 12:20 rather. I'm sorry. And so if you have any question, concern about the timing of the synchronous meeting, again, post your questions here, and again, others will be able to see your questions. And you have an assignment, a discussion board where you have to introduce yourself, and here's an instruction for you how to do it, and also you have to finish take this quiz. And once you complete all of this, you will be able to move to module 2. So you look at the module week, and then you go through each of the items, within the module. And once you complete it, and you'll be able to move to the next module. One last thing, when you sort of sign up, when you log in our Canvas site, make sure that you check announcements. You should be getting prompt messages when I sort of post announcements. But in any event, just in case you might have missed any announcement, make sure that you check announcements and make sure that you follow all the announcements for the class. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for your attention.